Hi there, welcome back to HubSpot in 5 minutes or less. My name is Brandon Carter. I'm a HubSpot certified trainer and partner, and today I'm going to continue my series of videos going through HubSpot's free tools. This time we're going to focus on using forms on your website. So if you navigate to the forms section of HubSpot, you may have a couple in here that were created by the system, such as a blog, subscription form. I'm going to go ahead and show you my Contact Me form. You can see where I've asked for the essentials, and some of these are fields that I created within the form interface. Now, if you click on a field, you'll pull up more options for that field, so I'm going to make a couple of these required. And then I also want to add a handful of hidden fields because I like to capture UTMs. I'll cover UTMs and why they're valuable in a later video, but I like to capture UTMs on a form submission. So I can do a quick preview of what my form looks like here. Next, you want to click into the Options tab. This will give you some options as far as what happens after someone submits the form. Do you want to show them a thank you message or redirect them to another page? Maybe you want to update their life cycle stage. So this is a Contact Us form, so I'm calling these people MQLs. And I'm going to send a notification to my business email. On the next tab, Style and Preview, you can customize how your form looks. I'm going to go ahead and skip this because we're going to do that on the landing page itself. Let's take a look at the Automation tab. And this is where, if you're using the free version of HubSpot, you can do a very basic, basically it'll allow you to do an autoresponder. So that's what I have here. This is just an email that's going to be automatically sent out to someone that submits a form. And it doesn't really do anything except acknowledge that they submitted that form. Go ahead and hit update and our form is ready to go. At this point, you'll get the embed code if you want to place the form on a non-HubSpot hosted website. I recommend that you add some consent language to your forms, and HubSpot has that pre-built under the privacy and consent section. You can either add just some basic language, which I've done, or you can add in some checkboxes. The main thing is just to make sure that you're aligned with whatever the privacy laws are in the region that you're going to be selling to. So let's go in and edit this form live on a website page. Now, most templates that you have in HubSpot will have a pre-built area for a form, and you can go in and just select which form you want to be in there. And once you've got that form selected, you can then customize it live on the page. That might include adding a form title. I'm going to go ahead and not do that because it's in there in giant letters right above it. If I wanted to update the button text, I could. If I wanted to add or change those GDPR options, I could. A lot of this is the same stuff that we saw in the form editor section. This would just be editing how it affects this particular page. That being said, we have everything set up the way we wanted. So if I wanted to change the look of it, that would be over here on the Styles tab. I can adjust the spacing. I can adjust the colors of the fonts, of the buttons, of the help text, those little asterisks. But for the most part, this looks pretty good. I've updated a lot of this stuff within my website theme, which you can see how I did on a previous video. But for the most part, this form is ready to go. I've already done all the work in the form editor. I've already done all the work to make it look the way I want it to in my website theme section. So we're done. And that is how you build and edit forms in HubSpot. So if you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button or leave a comment. Let me know. If enough people find them useful, then I'll keep making them. And once again, you can reach out to me at bscarter.com. Thank you for your time.